Gor Kapatisi TV.
Pulit MBBS ha India ne Shabal ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Usembut medirang ba ka jilla obakmi ikatrat kampo iyeng haka artrek unaitung arajar arphosan. Ula pentip baka sarkar kladep ban ajing betha yu deputy commissioner badi superintendent of police jongko West Genty Hills ban pet ke jilong jingman haka shnong lapangap hadir makalami ke jingakan at dangshan ha pedangi khasi penar bagi karbi. Haka jingakan makilar pathai kubor ba Prestone layat ho baka sarkar kladep shnai ke temporary camp haka shnong lapangap haka balapha pahararu omduna yalai phongut ki Pulit ki betre kamber arpusau kenta. Ulaya thuru baha ka bede bagi kam ya ka jah kaput menteri rang ba ka jilla korat ke sangma ulaya karan limba ke telefon ber menteri rang ba ka jilla Assam uhimenta beswa sarma bantem ikijing ken a ka ba ka jing karan pen betput kadang ya chakman.
Interstate border, by and large, it is peaceful. Of course, as far as Lapangap is concerned, again, as I said to you, we have already directed the district administration plus the SP, and we have already created a temporary camp over there. We have about not less than 30 police personnel who working there for 24/7. And even from Assam side, they did the same way. So I'm very sure now the situation is improving a lot.
Will there be CM level talks to iron out the differences?
That, yes. That, of course, the CM will take it up with the counterpart CM of Assam. And not only that, even over telephonic discussion was there. CM has already discussed it.
But is there any plan to have a permanent police camp out there?
I can't say right now because, as I said to you, temporary camp has been created. So let us see. Once the situation is calmed down and once the situation is totally conducive, then again we will revisit whether temporary can be converted into permanent.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.